Hi Leo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your love bite now. Let's see what message wants to show through for you today, Leo. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there. Please take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Leo and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Leo, let's start your reading. Let's see what wants to show up for you today. And yes, welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And if you're new here, Leo, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Leo. Ooh. Okay. Somebody walked away, Leo. Somebody walked away from this connection. I have a lot of reversals, but a few, one or two upright cards here. From what I see, things are still in troubled waters here. Maybe you guys kind of didn't get on the same page. There's some kind of conflict here. Maybe somebody didn't put in the work and the other person decided, I'm not going to fight for this connection. Some things came out and now somebody's feeling very foolish. They feel things are stuck. They do want this, they do see a future here, but they feel things are rather stuck because somebody has walked away from this connection now. So what I'm going to do, Leo, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards. See if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll start clarifying these cards, okay? Leo and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other. And Leo, if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Leo and their person spirit. Leo and their person. Okay. I'll take a couple from here, Leo. Leo and their person. Leo and their person. And one or two more from here. Leo and their person. Okay, good to go, Leo. Let's start your reading. The first card I have here says, I know you feel the same way. If you didn't, why would you keep in touch and get triggered when I say next lifetime? You're holding us back because of your own self-worth issues and inability to forgive yourself. I've forgiven you. Would you just forgive yourself already? Let's make our life together, free from the past. No one is perfect. I hate it when I communicate with you and you could keep the conversation going, but you shut it down. Can't you tell that I'm trying to get you to coerce it out of me? I want to tell you what's going on with me, but I just can't come out and say it. Damn it. I swear you get more beautiful every day. With age you refine and blossom like fine wine. You're absolutely stunning inside and out. I'm feeling really insecure at this time. I feel like a little child compared to you. You make me feel weak at the knees. I feel overwhelmed and powerless in the all-consuming love I have for you. When you're away from me, I feel loneliness in my heart. I can't stop missing you and loving you. I need you here with me. I'm your not so secret admirer. You know that. I know that you know that I'm always checking up on you. I have to juggle a lot of responsibility right now. I've never felt such an intense connection. This situation is messy. Yes, it does sound like a very messy spread as well, because even if somebody knows here, they're still not kind of putting in work, maybe self-worth issues or whatever, it's made that person kind of walk away from the connection. Let's see. Let's take an angel blessing card and let's see what my angels have to say to this read. For Leo, my angels, blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. blessing, guidance, marriage. Maybe there is some connection with a marriage, cutting off an old marriage, or this normally is always connected with something which has not been working out. But this could also implicate sometimes that somebody wants a marriage or something more long term. So I don't know what's going on. Let's start your reading and see what this marriage card is all about. So 6 of Swords in reverse, Spirit. 6 of Swords in reverse. Why is there so much conflict here? Why have things gone a totally different direction here? Because somebody was lying, or they were rude, or they were, not opening up emotionally, or they were just stubborn, I would say. 8 of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, created too much delay, not put in any work. They decided, I'm not going to, show that I care maybe. And too much of delay has gone into the connection. Nobody really they knew they had to make a choice, but that was too much of a burden for this person. They were overwhelmed maybe with responsibilities that time. Maybe the ego and pride came in the, mix here. They just didn't, they blindfolded themselves and they said, I'm not going to choose, I'm not going to make a decision. And then Spirit, 5 of Wands in reverse. 5 of Wands, yeah, somebody's heart got broken here. The clarity came that, hey, this person is not maybe interested, or they're not showing me anything. When they talk also, they kind of cut me down to size, or they're being very stubborn, they're not putting in work. So I think their partner got this total clarity that what's the point of working towards a connection which is not working out? I might as well, leave this. And somebody, they may probably broke their heart as well. World in reverse. World in reverse. World in reverse, Spirit, for Leo. World in reverse. I think somebody didn't want to have another go around because they didn't want to feel the stress of this connection. Somebody felt this was a very, very toxic kind of a connection, maybe just sex-based or something. And they said, what's the point of, trying to bring this back into another go around where one knows that this is toxic. It's going to put me again into anxiety. They feel their partner is very rash and immature and this person is confused. Sometimes they want to show themselves as somebody very mature, and sometimes they come across as a player. And their partner, I think, felt disrespected in this connection, because I think what their partner was looking for was a very stable long-term connection. But this person came across as a little prideful, maybe just wanting to have fun and nothing else. They made this person feel a bit disrespected, the Queen of Pentacles, who was looking, I think, for the 10 of Pentacles, something which would be very stable, somebody who could be there for the long haul. And once all these secrets came out, I think somebody left here. The Moon in reverse, Spirit. What are these secrets that were revealed? That there was no stable ground to work on. There was no stable ground to work on. Even the conversations were very wishy-washy. Sometimes they were up, sometimes they were down. Somebody was absolutely getting no clarity about where this connection was going. And they felt that rather than be juggled in this connection, I might as well stop fighting for this connection totally. Somebody didn't want to be a fool in this connection. Yes, and that's the reason I think they held back, and somebody held back from this connection because they felt that this was too much of conflict, too much of turmoil, too much of inner. Yeah, somebody just went quiet. They listened to their intuition and they decided, hey, I'm going to go off for a fresh, new, passionate, new beginning, maybe somewhere else where I can have that stability, where I can have that stable ground to work on. I'm looking for something, maybe new love. Yes, why not? Somebody had that epiphany after things got revealed. somebody I think was waiting for some time, and once this all came out in the open, somebody has left the building saying, I'm going to hold back now. My intuition tells me that what I'm looking for is the Four of Wands, right? And maybe it's time for me to leave all this behind and move on to something brand new, maybe a new love altogether. So this past connection has kind of come to either a standstill with the Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Why is the Wheel of Fortune in reverse, Spirit? Yes, now, oh God. The person who was trying to be a trickster here, the person who was cold and who never put in the work, they were actually creating illusions. They were trying to be a trickster or whatever. They thought, hey, ha ha ha, I can have it all. I have my 9 cups. They were a bit greedy for their time or energy. Now this person is feeling the brunt of what they've done. They feel things have really stuck in now between this connection or maybe their life, some bad karma or something like that. Somebody is feeling very left out and abandoned now because that person has now walked away. So what's this 8 of Cups, Spirit? 8 of Cups. Somebody's walked away to find happiness, maybe with their friends, their family, find new... oh no, okay. Okay, now somebody is recognized. This person who's gotten left behind, I think now they've recognized that this person who walked away was a soulmate. This is the person that they could have had an equal partnership with. Now they want a reunion, they want another go around, but now they've lost the trust. The person who's walked away doesn't trust them anymore, is probably not going to come towards them or not be that welcoming anymore. So this is like unrequited love, I would say. My angels, I never do this, but this marriage card I have to clarify. What meaning does it have to our reading? Oh, see, I told you, sometimes it means ending something. Maybe a committed connection or the potential of a committed connection. Maybe this connection did have the potential of, a marriage or a long term. And because of somebody's pride or somebody's mischievous behavior or their ego or their whatever, they thought they could get away with it, but in doing so, they've lost a soulmate. Their soulmate who's now walked away and gone off to maybe find love for themselves elsewhere. So that's all I have for you. Yes, look at this person feeling very sad that, so no time, effort was put in, and whatever was put in never fruitified because nobody tended to this garden. So till next time then, your next read will be on Friday. Monday. So till then, take care. Namaste.